Today, I will be presenting our research topic over TikTok and discussing user-generated content, identity, and market strategy. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms in the world. The video-based social media app quickly grew in popularity with 100 million users in its first year. The app has 800 million active users. Their mission is to inspire creativity and bring joy. Our goal is to analyze user behaviors and explore TikTok user motivations. We draw from past research and aim to investigate user-generated content and why brands should implement this marketing strategy. Previous studies have investigated the exposure and/or consumption of media in everyday life. Nevertheless, the emerging complexity of how people use media in today's digital world and its advantage for marketing strategies is frequently overlooked. The importance of this research is that there has recently been a dramatic increase in self-creating and self-publishing content. The theories we will discuss is social identity theory, group identity theory, and the uses and gratification theory. Social identity theory suggests that a primary human tendency is to define one's identity in large measures through actual or symbolic perceived affiliation with others who share similar experiences, perceptions, and values. This theory is useful to explain the preference of a specific media choice and helps gain a further understanding of the basic needs that motivate people to use TikTok. Most individuals select content that reflects and shares values that they identify with. Group identity refers to the sense of belonging of an individual to a social group. Individuals feel linked to a character or intent of a group. The behavior of a single individual is highly susceptible to the behavior of the surrounding crowd. The uses and gratification theory is the belief that media is goal-oriented and concentrated. The application of this theory in media research has contributed significantly to the understanding of media usage. There are many user motivations identified through the uses and gratification framework. Through the platform, users are encouraged to send instant messages, comment, and like the videos they watch, all of which promote social interactions. The archiving motive suggests that individuals take photos or videos to preserve and revisit special events and occasions through their lifetime and share them on social media. In order to present themselves, gain people's interest, and build supportive relationships, content creators have taken part in unique techniques. Escapism is one of the most common motivations studied in previous studies for media usage, as it denotes a pleasurable, fun, and enjoyable media experience. People are spending more and more time on social networking sites. Their offline interactions decrease as their online interactions increase. Users are seeking social media to substitute those personal interactions. Through this, users form an identity through social media. In the TikTok context, self-expressionism involves using videos to express oneself or impress the audience with his or her talents. Through social interaction, users produce strong feelings of social identity. The sense of identification influences their content creation. TikTok marketing is becoming more and more targeted and diversified. The marketing ecosystem supports brands to reach their target users in a speedy and precise manner. TikTok established an ecosystem providing opportunities for brands to support on integrated marketing, lifestyle marketing, performance marketing on both B2B and B2C fronts. Our research highlights the value of user-generated branded content. We have identified personal identity, self-expressionism, and social interaction as a major motivation for users to contribute and create brand-related content. Nowadays, social media is the predominant channel brands use to launch their products and/or services. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms in the world. Marketers and advertisers interested in developing brands or campaigns could benefit the most from this information by understanding TikTok users' motivations in creating and sharing content. Campaigns focused on attracting certain groups should focus on characteristics consistent with cultural identity. Although social identity does not guarantee brand preference, crafting messages that are directed to consumer self-concepts are most effective. The beauty industry is one that has taken most advantage of user-generated market content. Marketing for women seems to be the most effective in this type of content strategy. However, the increasing diversified community of TikTok creates the opportunity for other industries to succeed on this platform as well. Thank you for your time. Feel free to email with any questions or comments or concerns. Thank you.